Here are the best things to do in Konya, Turkey. Number 13. Mevlana Whirling Dervishes. Experience the mesmerizing Whirling Dervishes at Mevlana Cultural Center and prepared to be captivated. This hour-long spectacle is a true immersion into Turkish customs, history, beliefs, and culture. Picture yourself sitting there watching the dervishes perform their synchronized movements, which were actually started by Rumi himself in the 13th century. It's incredible how these movements symbolize spiritual ascent and a connection with the divine. As you witness this unique artistic expression, you'll gain a profound understanding of Turkish traditions. It's not just about entertainment, it's a gateway into the mystical world of Sufism and the spiritual practices that define Konya, the very birthplace of the Whirling Dervishes. Get ready to have your soul whirling along with them as they spin. Number 12. Mevlana Museum. Ready for your next adventure? Head over to Mevlana Museum and you will be intrigued by the wonders within. First, discover the allure of Rumi's sarcophagus, a revered destination and a key feature of the museum that draws pilgrims from all corners of Turkey. As you enter this magnificent turquoise-tiled landmark, you will love its unique fluted dome and the serene ambience that envelops you. Take your time to explore the intricate artifacts, each one bearing a vibrant story from the past. While you're there, let the essence of Sufism seep into your soul and gain a deeper understanding of its intricate aspects. Also, step into the historic Tekke, once the headquarters of the order founded by Rumi himself, and feel the echoes of the past resonate within you. Number 11. Konya Beresten Bazaar. Learn about Konya's alluring history and heritage at the Beresten Bazaar, the city's oldest marketplace. Wander through this ancient market situated just a short stroll away from the famous Mevlana Museum and uncover a treasure trove of artisanal wonders. Lose yourself in the maze of stalls showcasing traditional clothing, one-of-a-kind accessories, and charming keepsakes that make the perfect mementos of your visit. As you explore, you'll also encounter the stunning Azizian Mosque, lending a spiritual atmosphere to your shopping adventure. And don't forget to indulge your taste buds at the bazaar's enticing restaurants, serving delectable local delicacies. Number 10. Azizian Mosque. Welcome to Azizian Mosque. Get ready to be blown away by its stunning beauty. This place is truly a precious gem. Imagine stepping back in time as you enter this architectural marvel, which was originally built in 1676 and later reconstructed after a fire. The craftsmanship here is jaw-dropping, showcasing intricate Ottoman art and architecture. As you stroll to the mosque, take a moment to soak in the exquisite decorative calligraphy and the irresistible ceramic work. By visiting here, you'll not only witness the splendor of Ottoman heritage, but also envelop yourself in the vibrant culture of Konya. Number 9. Salini Ye Mosque. Salini Ye Mosque is a true architectural marvel in the heart of the bustling city. This classic Ottoman mosque, nestled in the busy business center, will keep you attracted with its striking Turkish architecture. The moment you enter, you'll be awestruck by the astonishing interior design that takes you back in time. The meticulously planned layout and intricate details showcase the elegance of the Ottoman architectural style. Beyond being a popular religious site, it's also a testament to Konya's rich cultural heritage. Don't forget to bring your camera because Selimiye Mosque offers a scenic setting for photography enthusiasts. Capture the beauty of this historical gem and absorb the lovely atmosphere that surrounds it. Number 8. Konya's Archaeological Museum. If you're into history, Konya's Archaeological Museum is the right place to be. Not only is it free to enter, but it also boasts a massive collection of historical wonders. Go back in time as you explore the museum's gripping artifacts, giving you a glimpse into Konya's vibrant past. Discover the stories behind each artifact as knowledgeable guides provide intriguing insights. The museum's interactive exhibits offer a hands-on experience, allowing you to try your hand at ancient crafts and activities. What's more, admire the exquisite ancient pottery, dazzling jewelry, and intricately carved statues. Marvel at the tools that were once used by the city's early inhabitants. And expose yourself to Konya's rich cultural heritage as you wander through the museum's halls. Number 7. Alaaddin Hill Park and Mosque. When in Konya, make sure to spend some time at Alaaddin Hill Park and pay a visit to the iconic Alaaddin Mosque. This historic park can't be ignored, providing a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. As you stroll along the park's pathways, you'll be treated to awesome views of the surrounding landscape. Don't miss the chance to explore the historic buildings within this park. And of course, a trip to Konya wouldn't be complete without stepping into the oldest Seljuk-era mosque in Turkey, Alaaddin Mosque. Step inside and feel the weight of history as you admire its impressive size, which can accommodate hundreds of worshippers. Don't forget to glance up and appreciate the intricate wooden ceiling that adds to the mosque's allure. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Konya experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 6. Çatalhöyük. Looking for a thrilling adventure away from Konya? Head to Çatalhöyük, a fascinating prehistoric settlement that will transport you back in time. Çatalhöyük dates back around 9,000 years and was once home to up to 8,000 people. This ancient site is a treasure trove of historical significance, giving you a glimpse into the development of human settlements and urban living. Explore the unique architecture and layout of one of the largest Neolithic and Chalcolithic proto-city settlements in southern Anatolia. While there, you will experience firsthand the ongoing excavation work and anthropological research, allowing you to gain insights into early farming communities and their social organization. Number 5. Sile. Located just 5 miles west of Konya, the ancient village of Sile is a treasure waiting to be uncovered. This energetic village offers a delightful fusion of Christian and Muslim traditions, allowing you to experience a vibrant tapestry of culture and history. Getting to Sile is a breeze with convenient public transport options. Once you arrive, you'll be fascinated by the mighty landscapes that surround you. But that's not all. Your taste buds are in for a treat with the tantalizing flavors of traditional Turkish cuisine. Also, remember to explore the magnificent former Greek Orthodox Church of Archaeological, a true gem of Sile. As you meander through the narrow streets, you'll see beautifully preserved historic buildings that hold stories from times gone by. Number 4. Minare Stonework Museum. Whether you're an avid art lover or simply curious about the wonders of Turkish craftsmanship, you will appreciate every moment spent at the Minare Stonework Museum. Inside, you'll cover a lot of extraordinary wooden artifacts and intricate stone carvings that will undoubtedly captivate your senses. Feast your eyes upon the beautifully crafted mosque doors, adorned decorative panels, and attractive sculptures that grace the museum's halls. Learn more about Turkish cultural heritage as you unravel the interesting history and unrivaled craftsmanship of the Seljuk-era stone and wood art. Before leaving, think about the sheer dedication and skill that went into fashioning these breathtaking landscapes. Number 3. Konya Tropical Butterfly Garden. For a relaxed activity as you further explore Konya, don't miss the incredible Tropical Butterfly Garden. It's more than just a garden, it's a sanctuary teeming with life and beauty. As you enter the conservatory, prepare to be enthralled by the kaleidoscope of colors and the gentle dance of exotic butterfly species. This place is Europe's largest butterfly flying field, boasting 15 different types of butterflies and an astonishing 98 species of plants. The lush surroundings and diverse flora create a magical atmosphere that will transport you to a tropical paradise. Beyond its aesthetics, the garden also promotes nature conservation and environmental awareness. They even offer educational programs allowing students to delve deeper into the world of these magnificent creatures and their habitats. Number 2. Konya Numa Panorama Museum. Konya Numa Panorama Museum is an absolute gem that is worth checking out. This place takes you on a journey back to 13th century Konya through some mind-blowing oil paintings. Seriously, you won't believe your eyes. Once you step inside, get ready to be surrounded by historical madrasas, mosques, walls, soldiers, sultans, and sculptures from different nations. And know this, the level of detail in these artworks is impressive. It's like traveling through time. What sets this museum apart from others in the area is its immersive approach. It's not just about displaying artifacts, it's about making you feel a part of the rich history and culture of Turkey. You'll gain a deeper understanding of the Seljuk splendor and the significance of religious pilgrimage sites in Konya's heritage. Number 1. Eat etli ekmek. To make your Konya adventure more memorable, indulge in the city's traditional cuisine and go on a tantalizing gastronomic journey. Start by treating yourself to the tasty delight of etli ekmek, a pizza-like flatbread topped with flavorful meat. Dive into the deliciousness of any of the best spots in town for this iconic local dish, which originated in Konya. But don't limit yourself to just etli ekmek. Konya has a wide range of culinary treasures to offer, from the savory fırın kebaba cooked in an oven to the irresistible pişmaniye, Turkish cotton candy. Your taste buds will be in for a treat. Embrace the flavors and savor every bite as you explore the culinary wonders of the city. Click here for more things to do in Turkey.